Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how we buy ad packs. So as you can see, I've logged in into my account and this is what we have on repurchase balance. In my cash balance I have that. So what I do here, you go to finance, then you go to purchase position. It will open this page. You see it says passive share ad plan, $5 US action, so you purchase under action. It will open this page. Now it displays these two balances that I have. You come down here, then there are payment options here. You can choose a cash balance, repurchase balance, a processor, or a cash balance plus repurchase balance is this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy some packs. Let me buy like two. Let me buy two. So if I put two here, now if you can see that two ad packs are $10 US, and in my repurchase I have only 9. So I'm going to choose an option of cash balance and repurchase balance so that I get some money also from the cash balance. If I had enough money in the repurchase balance, I would have chosen here. Or if I want to buy using the cash balance only, I choose this one alone. Now I'm going to choose two balances. So I will click here. It will bring this one here. Use repurchase balance first. That is okay. Then I enter the captcha. It is Chu KJ. Then I go to pay now. Position purchased successfully. So as you can see, in my cash balance I've remained with $13.4 US. So that is how we buy ad packs in City Passive. Okay, thank you. I'll be coming back in another video with another activity.